world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and a deep connection with the open road. For novice riders, choosing their inaugural motorcycle is a significant milestone. The Honda Grom, renowned for its affordability, approachable power, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as an exceptional choice for those seeking a thrilling two-wheeled experience on a budget. With its modest engine, compact design, and user-friendly attributes, the Grom offers a perfect platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration without breaking the bank. Affordable performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Honda Grom resides a compact 125cc single-cylinder engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a zippy and responsive performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of riding without putting a strain on their finances. Compact design and playful aesthetics. The Grom boasts a compact and playful design that captures the essence of fun riding. Its pint-sized frame, bold colors, and whimsical styling elements embody a blend of playfulness and charm that resonates with riders seeking an enjoyable and affordable adventure. Novice riders not only embrace the joy of riding but also connect with the Grom's spirited personality. Comfortable ergonomics and user-centric layout. Despite its small size, the Grom is thoughtfully designed for comfort. It offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both short joy rides and longer escapades. The relaxed posture, well-positioned handlebars, and a comfortable saddle contribute to a user-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Honda Grom is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, tight corners, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount, especially for beginner riders. The Grom often comes equipped with features like standard ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they develop their riding skills. Urban adventures and beyond. The Grom's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban explorations and countryside cruises, all while enjoying the motorcycle's playful and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand create a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novice riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the Grom's spirited attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda Grom encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly long-term riding. The Grom isn't just an affordable starting point, it's a loyal companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its budget-friendly price, minimal maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Grom for years to come. Conclusion. The Honda Grom exemplifies Honda's commitment to providing an affordable and thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its accessible performance, playful design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Grom offers an immersive gateway to the joy of riding without putting a strain on one's budget. By choosing a Honda Grom as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for playfulness, affordability, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.